Good morning everyone. Welcome to on my YouTube channel Upskill ABC. Today our topic is government. So we will discuss about this topic government. Even what is the government? Okay, how to use in our daily life. So we will be discuss. We will be concerned this topic one by one. So first of all, given here are given the some learning outcomes is given government functions, okay, levels, organs and types. We will be discuss how many functions, how many levels, how many organs and how many types of the government. Okay, these are our learning outcomes. Second is given universal adult franchises. Universal adult franchises is the given voting right to above 18 years olds and suffragette and anti-apartheid. Anti-apartheid means differentiate on the behalf of colors. So now next is given significance of the democracy. Significance means the importance of the democracy. These are our learning outcomes. We will discuss. We will concern these learning outcomes one by one. So first of all, given is that what is government? What do you mean by government? What is the term of government? Okay, so here is given the definition. A government can be defined as a group of people who govern a community, unit or nation. It is needed to manage and administrate a nation and its affairs. Okay, so here what's the given is it's the group of people who govern a community, unit and nation. How? Here are given some pictures here. Okay, this picture is the politician picture and this is the officer picture and this is the public picture. Okay, they are not the separate called the government, but if they will they will do work together and make the government also. Here is also given the same definition is the a group of people. So this is the group of people who govern a community, unit and nation. Clear? So now next given is the need for the government. Why we have to need the government? Okay, here are some aspects below. So first of all, given a government also regulates many social and political activities in an orderly manner. So why we have need? We have need that if we want to work, we want to run our society smoothly, so we have need a government. The same situation in our family also. Okay, we were living in the family. Our family had his who is the our family had, he will give the demand, he will give the command over the family and every family members follow the rule and regulations given by the head of the family. The same situation is allowed here. The government is also regulates many laws, rules, regulations also for our society through many organizations also. So now next point is given this political system. This political system lay down rules and make major policies and decisions and aids in the smooth working of a society. First of all, first stanza paragraph, we have seen that it's what is the government, how to work, okay, and why we have need, because they make some political, they make some political systems, they make some rules, regulations for the society, and society also follow the rule and regulations. Whenever these rule and regulations are not compulsory for everyone, so the smoothness, the society, it's not run properly. Okay, so now next given is that function of a government. We know very well every equipment, every body part of the society have a many functions. Okay, same the situation the government functions. Yeah, it perform a number of functions. So some basic functions is also include here. The government is to maintain law and order and provide security and safety to the people. How? First of all, given there are many functions. So first function is given to maintain law and order, okay, and provide security and safety. First of all, mention order and law. How? Whenever it makes many law and order for the people, for the society, okay, and also provide the security and safety to the people. For example, our army man is also stand on the border of our country, okay, they are doing safeness regarding them, okay. The same, if the government don't do these functions, so it's not possible to protect our country. So now next point is given that it has to protect the boundaries of the country. It is also same, I have already explained that mainly friendly and peaceful relation with other countries. It also create the friendly peaceful relations with other countries also. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.